welcome to this class. I am Mark Anthony. I'm so excited to welcome you to this very wonderful class where we'll be designing awesome logos. This video is made on popular demand. A lot of persons have asked me to make this very tutorial on how to design a more complex logo, and so I've decided to do that this very day. So I'm so excited that by the end of this class you'll be learning how to design awesome 3D logo. It's very wonderful. All right, so before we dive into what we have, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do that. You are not doing yourself any good by not subscribing, because I'll be releasing lots and lots of video on various tutorials on design and all kinds of tutorials. All right, so if you've not subscribed, I want to plead with you, do as much as you can to subscribe and hit the notify me buttons so that you get notifications whenever I release new videos. Alright, let's just quickly dive into what we have immediately. Alright, so this is the interface. Once you open Pixellab, this is what is going to happen. This one is going to show up. So let's do this. Let's dive into it. Okay, you click on the add test button. We're going to be designing for Mac Lab, right? Let's do MATLAB. It's fine. MATLAB will be fine. All right. Okay. First of all, that won't work. Let me first of all add this shape. All right. I add this shape. Okay. So this is good. It is good. Alright, I'm gonna add texture to it. I'm adding texture to it. Okay. I'm gonna add this texture. Okay. That's it. I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna copy this, and I'll add this. So, okay, I'm gonna increase this a little more. Okay, this is better. Alright, I've increased this. So let me change the color. Let me change the color. Let me use black for it. Black. Okay. Alright, it's good. We carry this one. I think I've got to reduce this a little more. Let me just place this at the center. So place this at the center, go to relative position, click this top one, it aligns it to the center, click the down one, brings it to the center. Alright, but I don't want this to be in the center, so I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Alright, okay, I think I'm going to increase this more, a little more. Okay, I'm going to reduce this a little more. Okay, let me just increase it more, two more. Okay, let me reduce it. I think this is good. Okay, this is better now. Alright, so let me just add something else. Okay, let me add text now. This is MATLAB. Okay, let me shift it so that it be at the center. Okay, this one, let me take it to the center a little more. Sorry. Let me increase this. I think I need to increase the spacing. Okay. Okay, the padding. Let me increase the padding. Alright, I think this is good. Let me do this. Alright. I think this is better. Okay, it's better. So let me add texture to it. I think let me reduce this a bit. Okay, now let me increase it till it gets to this point. Now let me change the fonts so I'll know what I'm doing. Changing the fonts now, looking for the fonts. Alright, I believe you guys are familiar with some of these tools that I'm using. Alright, so the font I want to use is not here, so I think I've downloaded it. I'll give you the name later on. Alright, I've downloaded the font, so it's in my folder, so I'm going to click on the folder, add the fonts. Oh, sorry. Okay, these are my fonts. I'm going to click on the folder. Alright, let me look for the download folder. Got it. Alright, okay, it's added. Okay, they are going added. Right, this is what I want to use. Okay, but I made a mistake. You need to add something like this for the line. You need to add, if you add it, this font automatically draws a line on it, as you can see. Alright, so don't make that mistake of just doing it. You need to add a line. You need to add a line to it. Alright, so look at it. So you turn it a little bit, increase it. I think it needs to be increased the more. Increase it. To increase this more. Okay, I think this is much better. Let me reduce this a bit. Alright, okay, I think this will be much better. Alright, okay, so let me change the texture of this. The texture, okay, this texture is nice. Right, then I need to add stroke to it. Okay, no, I'm gonna reduce the stroke. The stroke is black. Let me select black. Okay, black. I'm gonna increase it to, let's say, 30 is nice. Or 30. Okay, I think 37 is nice. It's pretty much nice, yeah? Right, I think this is nice. This is nice. Alright, so I think this is beautiful. Okay, the stroke. So you add stroke to it so that it looks this beautiful. I think let me, okay, yeah. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, let me add the stars. I'm gonna add stars to it. I'm gonna add star to it. I'm gonna add star. Okay. Wow. Alright. Forgive me. I'm just trying to play around with this. Okay. Star. I think I need to change the color to something. Let's say black. To black. Black. Okay. Alright. Let me reduce this a bit more. Alright, this is good. A bit more. Alright. I think it's nice here. Okay, let me change the position. Okay, position it a bit more. Let me jog it down. Okay, it's nice here. Okay, let me duplicate this and resize it. Okay, let me position it. Let me position it. Okay. Yeah, let me resize this a little. Okay, I think I need to reposition it again. Okay, position it. Alright, let me move it down a bit. Okay, this is good. Okay, let me duplicate this. Alright, and position it. Alright, let me just drag it a bit. Yeah, I think this is nice. I think this is much beautiful. Alright, so what am I gonna do next? I think I'm gonna remove the background. I'm gonna remove the background. Alright, and save this as PNG. I don't want to have background. The quality, what's the quality? Let's keep it high. Okay, let's save it. It's saving now. It's saved. Okay, it's saved now. So we are gonna do something else. Alright, you've saved it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start. You're gonna remove this entirely. You're gonna remove this entirely. Alright, so we're gonna start afresh. So you add from gallery, you add this, you add this background. Okay, I think we are going to resize this. I'm going to resize this background. Okay, you can change it if you want to use it as a profile picture. You can select profile picture and select any cover, maybe Facebook art or something, so that it will give you the perfect size that you will need for the upload. Like you can see, this is the custom stuff. The reason why you might need to select this thing is so that it will give you a perfect size for it. There is a perfect size for Facebook profile and all that, but because I'm doing a YouTube video, I'm going to be choosing a YouTube thumbnail. All right, this is the size. Okay, so I'm going to be importing image from gallery, another image from gallery, this. Okay, so I'm going to resize this. Okay, I'm going to resize this. Okay, it's resized now. Okay, so I'm gonna import image. I'm gonna import this image. Okay, it's imported now. Alright, so this is it's imported. Alright, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna use the transparency, the remove color feature, erase color feature. Okay, sorry, before I use that, let me group this together. Remember how to do that. I'm gonna click on this. I believe you guys know how to do this already. I already taught this in our last video. You merge them together, they become one. All right, okay, so I'm gonna use the erase color. All right, I'm gonna use the color picker. I'm gonna select this color, the color I want to erase. Okay, yeah, it's been erased. Then I select. Okay, then we need to make this look more real. Like we need to add things like shadow to it. Okay, let's add shadow. Set. No, it's not good. Okay, yeah, is it? Alright, alright, alright. Okay, I think this is better. I'm gonna use emboss. Okay, alright, it's better. Okay, I'm gonna use hardness. Check the hardness. Alright, density. Alright, we are just making this look real. We want to make this look more real and make it look like a real stuff, because the whole idea is getting a perfect stuff for it, making it look real, more real. Okay, so I think these are for me to increase this a bit. Nice. Okay, I think this is nice. But I really think the shadow need to do something more on the shadow. I don't know, but you can go ahead and be creative with it. But I think okay, no, this is not good. All right, this is it. So you can go ahead and save it. Once you've done it, you can go ahead and save your video. This time around, JPEG. All right, then you can increase the quality to high quality. All right, then save your work. All right, so I think you are so excited with this. You can go ahead and do yours and submit the assignment. All right, God bless you. We'll be having another tutorial, and I'll be teaching you some other wonderful designs that you'll be glad to learn. All right, see you on our next video. All right, guys, and we have come to the end of this class. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the class. Please feel free to leave any question at the comment section or message me directly to my WhatsApp number if you have any question or clarifications that I need to make on this logo. And of course, watch out for my next video. It's going to be more powerful and more awesome than this very one. But please, first of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notifications on that. And please make sure you watch this video till end. Don't skip any part, because if you skip any part, you might not understand it very well. All right, so for the purpose of clarity, try as much as you can to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you get everything in it. All right, so bye for now, and see you in our next class.